Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So to check the update, you just have to simply tap on settings, and after going into the setting, you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, tap on about phone. After tapping on about phone, you will have to tap on software information. And from software information, tap on Google Play System Update. So as you can see, it is on the March 1st, 2025. So there's a new Google Play System update available that might be available to download over here, or that might be already downloaded. You just have to simply tap on restart now to complete the update. So to complete the installation process, tap on restart now and the installation process will begin. Make sure your device is completely free during this installation process, as you will be unable to use your phone. And once completed, your device will automatically restart, and as you can see, your device is now up to date on the latest Google Play System update of April 1st, 2025. Also, let me know in the comment section that are you enjoying the new One UI 7 update, and if you have not already, so you can install the One UI 7 update by simply tapping on software update, then download and install. From here you will get to see the new One UI 7 update along with the Android 15 update. Despite the new features, there are some bugs and issues with the One UI 7 update as well. So let me know in the comment section that which bug or issue you are facing with the One UI 7 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this new Google Play System update available. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.